In this video I will show you how to create a WordPress website for free, using a service called dbytes. Dbytes is a hosting service that allows you to create unlimited number of websites, databases and email accounts for free. So let's get started right away. The first thing we need to do is create an account. Perfect. Now that we have an account, we can create our first website. Here we have two options. The first option is an empty project, which does not involve WordPress and allows you to code everything from scratch. The other option is WordPress, which we will go over today. Now that the website is created, let's check it out. The first time you visit your WordPress website, you need to go through an installation process, so let's do that. Now we can finally log into the WordPress dashboard where we can manage the website. Perfect. So this is the WordPress admin dashboard, which is used to edit and manage the website. If you want to visit the start page of your website, you can press this button in the top left corner and it'll take you right to it. And there you have it, your WordPress website. If you already know how WordPress works, you can take over from here. Otherwise, there are millions of tutorials on YouTube that will help you get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section.